and it won't do a thing. And that's because to be able to sign out, you have to be a Chanhassen Elementary staff member. So to add something, you go to the upper right-hand corner of the page, and you'll see where it says Sign In. I'll left-click on that. And once I left-click on that, I'm going to put my username here and my normal network password here. You'll notice on this page, the ecstatic page, at isd112.org is already filled in for me. If the previous click gets you to a Google sign-in page, then you would need to add at isd112.org to your username. I'm just going to go ahead and click Login now. And you'll see that now I'm able to edit this page. So if I wanted to add a time in here, all I need to do is left-click in the cell that I want to add a time. So this is Monday at 8:55, and I'm looking at intermediate Chromebooks. So I'm just going to type in Kuski, and then we ask you to enter the number of Chromebooks that you're going to use. So let's say I'm going to use 12. Once I type that in, I just press enter, and then I'm signed up. Let's say I wanted to sign up for more than one time. What I can do is I can left click in here, and you'll see that Kuski 12 is listed in the cell. It's also up here. And so if I wanted to, I could just left click, hold, and drag across here that selects that information. Okay, or I can do it right in the cell, but I'd have to double click in the cell, left click, hold, and drag across here. So either way works. I'm going to press down and hold the control key, and then tap the C key. When I do that, that copies that information. Now I can go into another cell, and if I just left click once in the next cell and do Control V for victory, Control V for victory, that pastes that in that cell. So let's say I wanted a couple more times. I can real quickly add my times in there. So Control V there, Control V there. Don't worry, I'm going to erase these later. And then let's say that I want to use this on Wednesday too. At 11:30, Control V. And Friday, man, I want it a lot. I'm going to do Control V in here, in all these spots. So that automatically fills it in. So that's during the week you can do that. But the cool thing is I can just click to the next page. And anytime that I want those intermediate Chromebooks, I can do Control V. And it's so fast and easy to sign up for times. Go to the next week, and I can do the same thing. And then obviously if I'm signing up for iPads, maybe I need a different number, or maybe other things, I might need to change the number behind it. But that's a real quick way to add times in for yourself. Now let's say that someone else has some signed out. So here Klein has 5 signed out, means there's 9 left. Let's say I wanted to add to this one, I want the 9 that are left. I can do this one of two ways. I can just click in this cell, and you'll see up at the top there's Klein 5. If I click right behind there, left click right behind there, and press spacebar and type in Kuski 9 and press enter, it's going to drop it right in there.